talk about joint families versus not nuclear families. What is meant by joint families? Joint families are the combination of more than 6 people. Here, in joint families, we can enjoy more things because we have more people around us to share and solve our problems.
Today we have so many surroundings now. Why we don't have a joint family? Nuclear family is very best to share our views because very few nuclear families are enjoying their life. If a joint family is there, there is so much problems we will face.
And it leads to a small amount of expenses every month, but the joint family may reach a high expenses for every month.
So less income goes to many problems for a joint family.
By joint family, we can reduce our expenditures on monthly work because in joint family, suppose
in nuclear family there is no expenditures now.
But they are taking some bills, sometimes some other cultural activities, they are going shopping. By that, they can spend more of amount.
But their expenses is very low, better than joint family.
If you compare with the joint family, we can decrease the amount of spending. Why it is, we can reduce the place of living. Nuclear families needs one house to stay. But in joint family, all can stay in one house. By that, they can save electricity.
They are saving electricity, but joint family live in a small house. No,
It's
it's need a big house means big rent. Large amount you pay for a large house now. But so joint family need a large amount now. But coming to nuclear family, a small house is need a small amount of fee is also there. So by leading these nuclear family, we can live happily, but not a joint family.
By our economic growth, nuclear family can live happy life.
Yeah, nuclear families can live happy life. If they got any problem, who will solve? They go to their elders or their grandparents to get the solution of the problem. So we need at that
Which
position
type of problem you are?
for any problem.
Means eye problem means you will go for a father.
Not the physical problems, it's related to mental.
Mental problem means father is there.
There's something happened to your family that like we can.
The neighbors are there for sharing our ideas, so it's very good.
Neighbors, having a family member.
Then have a phone call, but you just need a joint family means which face to have many problems. So
But we face problems. No one can live without problems now.
But the problems in joint family are in nuclear family. The problem, whatever problems you are talking about. You are talking
Any
about
problems in joint family, lack of education, any problem now.
But in the joint family, lack of education. That's right.
Who said that joint family lack of education?
More members means less money. Then how can you spend?
In joint family, all the fathers, for example, we are having 6 members. Three members of fathers. The 3 are working in a family. There is a lot of income.
But in the nuclear family, only 2 are working, but more than
Only one or more two children studies. They can study in corporate schools and colleges.
If they are working means very sell out towards their children or anyone. If in joint family, they can express their love now.
in the nuclear
In
family
nuclear family also, any
the
kind
more
of
active we will express our
But in joint family, it loves more effectively now, means it have more love.
What's the common joint family? How can you say love is when there is love, no quarrels?
If we are having quarrels also, we can solve the problems in joint family because we are having logic.
That's why many are coming from villages to town.
Not from villages terms. In villages also they are living comfortable life in joint family.
nuclear family also we are comfortable.
Yes.
More than the joint family.
Nowadays,
Because nowadays we are all having nuclear families only. It is because very happy to live. These are.
But some of them are facing the problem without joint family now.
Nowadays, class families are dividing into nuclear family because quarrels and lack of education and starving and many problems.
I accept it with your
Happiness will
comment.
not come with the members. It also needs money.
You also need sharing also. If you are having a problem, we have some other persons to
Nuclear
share
family also
your
members.
feelings.
We can share with them.
Nuclear families now, we have only parents now. But in joint family, no grandfathers are, everyone will be there. We can share now.
Nuclear family is living in only one house, but not living all those relationships right now.
If we have any problem, we can ask our parents or anyone so that they can set the solution. Not only in large family only we will have it. In nuclear family also we can ask them.
In the nuclear family, the father and mother got a problem.
And who will
They go to their mother and father and they can solve the
Then
problem.
it means it is joint family now.
Nuclear family is, we are saying that we are living in only one house and we are saving our money and everything, etc.
It's not a problem of saving money. We have to lead a comfortable life and enjoyment.
No, even by living
In nuclear family also they have the enjoyment and we are
We are really happy life.
Yes, but in joint family we can be more happy than.
Both happy.
but there are some misunderstandings between the people.
Without understanding, no one can lead their life.
okay, agree with that, but nuclear family is between two,
But in nuclear family there are less misunderstandings in the large family.
between two members they can solve easily.
But in joint families, they can share their ideas, their
Nuclear family
problems,
also can share
and they can share everything with any one of the member. But in nuclear family, the children will share with parents or someone with parents, but sometimes they will not share.
If
They
parents
can't
are like
share.
this, they can also share no. In nuclear family sharing can be possible. Sharing ideas and etc.
Compared to nuclear family, if you are in a joint family, you can share with all other members, and the problem will be solved in a short time.
Yeah, we do agree with that,
But
but
for example, we can watch our families. We are also nuclear family members. But we are also so happy and we are living with happy and we are sharing everything with our parents.
But with joint family, we can lead a happy life.
With
Then
nuclear
what
family,
about nuclear family?
also we are leading a happy life.
More than joint nuclear family, I said.
how can you say more than nuclear family?
If we have a joint family, then we can say.
If we have a nuclear family, then we can also say that.
We have
festival time, the
Yeah,
family
while
members.
we are leading a nuclear family, we are going to
Family members face happiness.
Joint family, a girl can express his feelings to mother, either mother or his sister. But we cannot express our problems to father or a girl. Yeah, it's like joint family is very.
in nuclear family, so we have mother, father, and brother. Then we can also share our
If we
feelings.
lost, for example, if a girl lost her mother, then she cannot express her problems to
If she feels her father is also her mother, she can express her feelings very happily.
But all fathers cannot behave as a mother, right? That boys, girls have the so much of feelings, emotions.
According to our people only, they are going to behave like a mother or father. We have to feel he is only our father and mother. If anybody lost their parents.
But joint family makes our life happiness, and we can express our feelings to.
Nuclear family also makes our life happiness.
But it is too short. Then in nuclear family, we cannot see our grandfather, grandmother. As some people like so much likes grandfathers and grandmothers, but
It's
we
not mean that nuclear family is there is no relationship with other members.
But they can give morals and ethics. They will respect the parents
do.
and elders.
They too will learn from their parents, morals, ethics, etc.
But compared to the nuclear family, joint family is the best because we can share our feelings, emotions to them. But when compared to the nuclear family, we can't share because some feelings we just gossip about the others. I think so. It's a joint family is better for us.
If we talk about mother and father, we cannot gossip some feelings.
Some of feelings no. Have some of feelings. If we can't, then no.
If we accept our mother and father like a friend, we do agree with those members.
Actually, we do, but some people should didn't say to
Some people are there, but not nuclear family is not. It's not.
But when compared to the nuclear family, we enjoy with our joint families. We can move anywhere with the joint families, and we.
So what happens to that point?
In nuclear family, we can go for picnic for a year, once in a year. But in joint family, we can enjoy picnic every day and every time with all relatives.
Okay, you are talking about a joint family now. Are you a joint family?
Yes.
No.
Joint family.
You are a nuclear family that's speaking about a joint family, yeah?
But I like, but
But you can't live.
But lack of-
You like joint family,
Yeah.
but you can't live. Then
I
you're supposed to
can
live
live,
with
but
a nuclear family. Okay, you are
If
supposing
there
nuclear
are problems
family.
in a large family, then who is going to solve the problems?
yeah, the others
That's who
are the
are
others?
grandfather, grandmother.
If a nuclear family faces many problems, I was saying for the past few minutes, if a joint family faces a problem, who will solve it?
Joint family, if we have grandmothers and grandfathers who are experienced in life, they can give the good solutions to the
But
problems.
sometimes they may be also wrong, no?
But they
That
can.
solution leads to problems. If they give the wrong solution, then this may lead to the
Then how we
problems.
can suppose a nuclear family can give the perfect answer to your problem?
Yes.
How we
Because
can
there are
suppose-
only four
because
laws.
of the
What
nuclear
answer
family
is correct
only
answer?
mother, father.
They can't oppose any answer. If less numbers is there, the answer will finalize easily. If more numbers are there, the answer will never finalize. So joint family never
From
can
joint
have
families,
answer
we
for
can get
question.
many regions. They think from the past why the problem is occurred, how to solve the problem, and how we can get out
They
from
can
the
give
problem.
different solutions.
In nuclear family, there is no problem to face now.
Why?
In every
In
family,
present
there must
scenario,
be
nuclear families also face many problems. Because both mother and father are going to work and the children are going to school. How they can protect their house from the
In
robbery?
joint family, everyone going to work.
Your grandfathers and grandmothers are staying
2 years, 3 years,
because of the
also going
orders.
to work.
Because 2 years and 3 years
How
time, they
can
are
you say?
supposed to
How
stay
can
the
you say?
house. Supposed to protect the house.
Joint family is not made for everyone.
If we nuclear family,
Always we will
supposed-
share our ideas
we have
and
ideas.
our relationships. Not what any work will not
In
happen.
nuclear families, 3 years police, boys and girls are sending to the lower schools because the parents are busy with their work. They cannot supposed to see the care of their children. In joint families, the grandfathers and the
We are not talking about a child
elders
labor, no? We are talking about joint
Just
family and
like
nuclear
now,
family.
I can
So,
say the
so
child
we are
labor.
supposed to talk about nuclear family or joint
Sometimes
family.
in nuclear family, joint family is very, if we are in critical condition, we can help from our
How many members
family.
will live in joint family? Grandparents,
Yeah.
mother, grandparents are not working, they will retire. Then
They will see the
They will see the water environment. Huh?
We are all dependent on our neighbors now.
they will look at the house. If any robbery is going on, they are supposed to protect the house and then if
You can give a
our
watch
mother and
and
father went,
grandparents.
so
How can we-
they are wasting the money. If in joint families,
If
if
father
our-
and the grandparents are just watch your
not like that, I'm not saying. If mother and father are went to job, the grandparents can see the children and they can work, and they can protect the house and they can tell stories which gives more knowledge to the children to improve their knowledge.
If
But
the
in joint
grandparents
family, they can't
are
take the
chef,
children.
watchman, etc.
Joint families
Waste of
will
time.
work, but it's waste of money and waste of time and waste of all the activities which are used to more.
But because in joint family they can't leave the children because of the relation. But nuclear family they can leave the children anywhere.
That's why I'm
But they
saying
were-
they are living children anywhere.
You
It's
can
going
have
disasters.
individuality
Why?
come to their
Why?
children.
So many people are living.
From the grandparents we can
And it-
learn more moral values. In
What
nuclear
else comes
families,
from we have to learn, no one will teach
but
us.
someone has to start, initiate. Someone has to initiate the moral values. This is the good and this is the not good.
In nuclear families also so many parents
If we
children.
eliminate others,
there's
But they
children.
have that much of time to learn.
Which time? What time? What time?
If
of
they
day?
have a job, they
Any
can
ethics or anything they have, they must take more.
Are you not
But
like
they
the
may be-
Mahabharata or anything else?
Mahabharata should be given by the old people
Yeah.
because they know.
There is no one to give from old people.
In nuclear families,
They
the both
which is
by fighting
But there are three types of families also there.
Ethical by old people are not. So it is a joint family is correct.
We can learn not only from grandparents, we can learn anything
We
from
can also-
our
siblings
okay.
also.
From the siblings also. If siblings also at the same of age, how it can become?
But in joint family also there are so many
Yeah.
events like
In joint family we have some of time. In nuclear families, mainly both the father and mother are both the workers. So they
How can you say
can
both will come in
If
nuclear
not-
families?
In the present scenario, both are working or not? Both are working. They are leaving their children in any schools or anywhere.
It means
Then how they
individually
will get
education.
the help with from parents?
In present scenario also, in joint family also, so many members are working.
I understand your.
Okay. In joint family, children gain more knowledge through grandparents about
Any
culture,
ethics or
ethics.
From their parents.
but it is a modern generation we can learn through knowledge in many ways.
So it is very easy.
There are many sources to
Compared
learn
to
knowledge.
Of which we can get the
Current job-
we get the knowledge or anything.
How can you
But
say
the moral
So
values
we can
will save.
we can got
The
lot of
grandparents
knowledge
will
through
save.
grandparents. That is more important.
How can you say that
But
in
in
joint
joint
family they are
family-
getting less knowledge by their parents?
Parents are going to job. Then nobody talents about.
Both mother
In
and
the
father
present
they are
scenario.
working.
In the present scenario, both are have to
Both are
work.
working.
I could say like in present scenario, in joint family also, those all members
So
are
in
working.
nuclear family,
Then
grandparents
before
are.
you said in joint family no one some of them are working, then how can they
Okay,
live
okay.
their life you said?
What you said
Now,
is
what
right
you are saying?
because you don't know if parents are going to jobs and they're leaving their children in house. In joint family, you should need your elders for
But they are care
for
of their
taking care of
children.
his children, sir.
Not only
Not for
care of
children,
children,
They can
but also
save
need for only for